Our school's Media Lab invites students to go above and beyond what they learn in the classroom. They can apply to be Baden Academy Research Fellows and pursue meaningful projects made possible. This year, over 50 students and 6 teachers are involved in 27 projects. They include writing books about current scientific innovations, making websites and YouTube videos about new technology, neuroscience, and chemistry that is changing the world, or leading after-school clubs in programming, engineering, origami, leadership, and 3D design and printing. Baden Dreams is a website of resources to empower these research fellows to grow as entrepreneurs, to develop merch, that is merchandise, that grows their brand. It is a place for them to explore building an audience beyond the walls of Baden Academy and discover kids and adults around the world as excited as they are about the passion they are pursuing. I'll be honest, I'm in 4th grade. When I took over Baden Dreams from Katie Bellick, the leader who started it all, I had no idea what an entrepreneur was. Let me tell you about our MG kids. MG stands for Molecular Gastronomy. They make YouTube videos about using chemistry and physics to make really strange food. You can watch them make chocolate spaghetti, or custard that sticks together in a sphere, or powdered Nutella. One of their videos was retweeted by a molecular gastronomist in Dubai. That's all the way around the world in the United Arab Emirates. Amazing! 4th graders playing with their food are now international celebrities, at least with molecular gastronomists. Baden Dreams is about helping them cultivate an entrepreneur's mindset. Every fellowship project can use our tutorials to create a product catalog for their website and ours, a donate button for their people to give to the charity they are pledged to, a link to products like t-shirts and iPhone covers on Zazzle, building a mobile app for the Google Play Store, even creating a 3D keychain or pendant on Shapeways. Wouldn't you like your own MG Kids apron? So what is an entrepreneur? Well, speaking to the research fellows, you are. You are now considered a startup founder of your very own business venture. You have taken your creativity and turned it into an innovative idea that solves a need in the market. You have influenced others who share your ideals and desires for the world to be better. Ultimately, what you create as a book or a website, a YouTube video, or an after-school club meeting agenda serves to satisfy a niche market with a tangible product. You want them to encounter what you made and walk away with an added value. What a noble task.